Yo. हेलो 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 हेलो। कैसे हो भाई? क्या हाल चाल भाई? हाउ आर यू ब्रदर? हाउ वाज योर डे मैन? ये तो मेरा है भाई। आई वर्क। मेरा तो आज का हो गया भाई। क्या हो गया? दो और बंदे सब्सक्राइब करो भाई, 200 पहुंचा दो। fucking do it। बढ़िया भाई, बढ़िया भाई। आवाज आवाज तो बढ़िया आ रही है। कैसा था भाई? ट्रेड वेड लिया या नहीं लिया? ഞാൻ എന്നാ കുഴക്കാനാ മൈനെ? क्या हाल चाल भाई लोग? What's going on man? What's going on? Oh well, oh well. Let me explain my idea. Well, the dollar, man, dollar fucker. Well, dollar to bearish high, right? Like because we took buy side, a daily high. यहाँ जो था हमारे buy side, right? And I wanted this gray pool on Dixie. Uh, so once this buy side was taken, मेरे को NQ पर I really wanted a little bit of premium to get met. I know it's trying to short a falling knife, but again, I was aiming for a very small target. Because I went along here, right, and I was aiming at this high, which coincides with our old puller sell side here, right? And you know, we fully full in the daily busy, है ना? हम पूरा fill in किए, हमारे पास डेली ऑर्डर ब्लॉक ओपनिंग प्राइस भी था, राइट? Now again, this was a very nice one from the first presentation, right? I don't know, that was just too early for me. Because why? Because मेरे पास ये relative equal highs पड़े थे इधर. I don't know how people can go short here at that early, right? I mean, बढ़िया trade तो बना है, right? But I wouldn't be proud of myself if I'd taken that trade. Oh, what's up, brother? कैसे हो भाई? Anant bhai is here, bro. OG in the chat. Bro, the trade looked very nice when I entered, right? Yeah, down close per. I got immediate feedback, okay? We fully balanced this SIBI, right? I know we wigged it, right? फिर हमने अंदर आए into this daily busy as well as the inversion. And this is that run where I really wanted price to climb up through this consequent encroachment, right? But either it stopped the upper quadrant right there. And then it chopped around, took my stops out, okay? Takes my stop out there, right? Puts in an SMT with ES and tries to make a run attempt higher. And it fails too. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I really want to see what people did today. मेरे को देखना है कि what people did today. I want to go to Instagram and I really want to see what other fucking traders did. अब भाई सी मैंने स्टॉप आउट कर डाला इंस्टाग्राम में, अब मेरे को आएंगे ज्ञान देने, राइट बडी? देयर इज अ रीजन. मेरे को ज्ञान देना बंद करो. देयर इज अ रीजन you're on my account, right? There is a reason you're following Inner Circle Hindi. So keep the gyan away from me, brother. I know what I'm doing, right? This stream seemed pretty valid to me, except the fact that I know for a fact that they're gonna run it up higher. They're gonna run it up higher right now. I know for a fact that they're gonna do it, right? We have these relative equal highs here. We have this high here. We have this wick here, which I'm watching. They're gonna run it up. They're gonna fucking run it up. And then see again, bro. I breached a 50K. Ooh, yeah. Let's talk about this BS now. Okay. Bro, I raised a 50K lucid eval just after getting funded in a day because of poor psychology. A month ago and yesterday breached another 50K eval that was just 1K for passing. Even though कितने बंदे भाई स्ट्रीम पर? 9 बंदे ब्रो. व्यूअर्स बढ़ रहे हैं भाई. People are watching, man. Okay, so let's talk about this, bro. I breached a 50K lucid eval just after bro, that equal lows. Kahan bhai? Where, brother? Where the fucking equal lows, bro? Where? I ain't seen no equal lows. Last time day. Bro, you broke it on the 15th day because you were probably not following the rules for 14 days. Bro, the only way to fucking do this, right, especially when you're trading an eval, is to manually lock yourself out of the account. $10.16. Bro, we'll talk about it, Tejas bhai. दिख तो रहा है, but I would say कि उनको अभी I would say taking a look at ES that they don't want to target it right now. वो अभी लेके जाएंगे भाई ऊपर, right? वो हम we are gonna leave it for now, ठीक है? हम अभी इसको लेके जाएंगे. We're gonna reclaim this inversion right here, right? This is gonna act as a breaker, ठीक है? And we're gonna run it up higher. See, मेरे को ये पता है. अगर ये I'm talking to Tejas भाई, okay? तेजस भाई, अगर आपको ऐसा पता है कि ऐसा रीड करना प्राइस, अब इधर आप स्टॉप आउट हो गए, इमेजिन कि आप इधर स्टॉप आउट हो गए, नाउ यू आर गेटिंग अनदर whatever you're reading price up. This is not the cleanest price action, I agree, right? मैं तो सिर्फ तुक्का लगा रहा था they're gonna run it up higher, but again, because there's nothing clean as well. I'm just looking at because we are in just my experience speaking. There's nothing on the candlesticks that can confirm the fact that we're gonna go higher, but मेरे को लग रहा है that they're gonna run up higher. तो अगर आपको इधर एक सेटअप मिल रहा है, यहाँ आप स्टॉप आउट होने के बाद तेजस भाई you're gonna enter again here, है ना? यहाँ द सेकेंड ट्रेड पर आप ब्रो, फर्स्ट ट्रेड पर nobody is gonna tilt, right? फर्स्ट ट्रेड पर कोई टिल्ट नहीं होता है. It's always the trades after the first trade. क्योंकि the way I think of it, let me make this bigger. So the way I think of it is We have relative equal highs here, okay? Don't forget the fact that we have relative equal highs. People that are gonna fucking clown me for taking this long don't got no fucking idea about nothing. Okay? So, यहाँ stop out होने के बाद, bro, your best attempt always होगा कि आपका पहला trade. If you can follow the rules for 14 days, right? आप funded होने के बाद एक ही दिन में you blew it. A month ago, I wasted a breach under 50k eval. That was just one. Bro, here I want to know, how did you pass that eval? That's my question. How did you pass that eval? Did you pass that eval by following your rules of 1 to 2 trades a day, of not over leveraging when you go into negative? Did you follow all that rules is what I'm asking. Bro, next time say you have to set a dollar amount risk, right? And uske baad bhai कुछ भी हो जाए, you are gonna be like, okay, इसके बाद no matter regardless कि प्राइस करता क्या है, मेरे को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, show you something. These are the 3 lucid evals that I'm trading right now. Okay, मैंने कहा था that I'm gonna teach you guys how to trade an eval. This is that eval I'm trading. मैंने किया क्या? Now this is from experience, है ना? मैंने किया क्या? The moment I got stopped out here, the moment, bro, I'm saying you, bro, see, I coach people, I teach people, right? People fucking look up to me, all that shit. I act like I know everything, right? When it comes to market, and I do, right? ये सब होने के बाद भी I have to remind myself to this day, to this day कि मेरे को एक लॉस के बाद the best decision that I can ever make is to walk the fuck away. Because मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से मेरे को पता है कि अगर मैं सिर्फ आज वॉक अवे कर जाऊं ये छोटे से एक लॉस पर, मैं कल आकर I can get a 2R 3R and I'll be up on the week again. ये मेरे को पता है. अभी इवन दो मेरे को ये रिमाइंड करना पड़ता है कि समटाइम्स यू डोंट लॉकआउट कर ले थोड़ा, इवन दो यहाँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्रो, द थिंग इज कि भाई जब कैंडल्स प्रिंट होते हैं यू लूज योर सेल्फ. इट्स लाइक आपका DMN डिफॉल्ट मोड नेटवर्क ऑफ हो जाता है, अमिगडाला गेट सुपर फकिंग स्पाइक्ड अप, एंड यहाँ स्टॉप आउट होने के बाद तुरंत व्हेन यू सी दिस चेंज इन द स्टेट ऑफ डिलीवरी देयर, यू आर गोना बी लाइक, ओ fuck, that was a stop out, I'm gonna enter again. फिर हुआ क्या? आप एम करोगे ये हाई टेक प्रॉफिट के लिए, ऑलमोस्ट गया, ब्रेक इवन भी दिया नहीं आपको, राइट? फिर आप हो गए स्टॉप आउट, राइट? ये कैंडल आपके दिमाग से खेलते हैं. हाउ डू दे प्ले इट? ये सब भाई, दिस इज ऑल साइकोलॉजिकल गेम, राइट? वो खेलते हैं कैसे? बाय स्पीड. वो कैंडल स्टॉप आउट करने के बाद बहुत जल्दी से वो जब ऊपर जाते हैं भाई, दिमाग ये हो जाता है ब्रो, your whole head gets messed up. Yes, I even got 800 in drawdown while passing it, but stick to the rules, but fucked it up on the second minute. I got funded, and same happened yesterday. Bro, brutal BE, 85 handles, and this nice. Proud of myself. Fuck yeah, man. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Right, exactly. अगर मेरे पास भी था ब्रेकी में जाने का पॉइंट, बट आई डेंट गो. ऑनेस्टली मेरे पास था नहीं ब्रेकी में जाने का पॉइंट, बिकॉज़ आई वाज लाइक चलो ये हाई लेने के बाद कर लेंगे. हुआ नहीं. I even got 800 in drawdown while passing it, but stick to the rules, but fucked it up on the second minute. See, you're meaning, bro, when I say that they're gonna run it up higher for a fact, and you see कि मैं buttons push नहीं कर रहा हूँ, right? कि मेरे को पता है कि बेंचो ये लेके जाएंगे, अभी 1050 मैक्रो आ रहा है, मादर शो लेके जाएंगे. पर अब मैं क्या करूँ? मेरा जो था अटेम्प्ट, पहला जो अटेम्प्ट था, यहाँ फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटेशन से तो आई वाज लाइक चलो, यू नो व्हाट आई वाज एक्चुअली लुकिंग एट? मेरे को देखना था ओपन इधर होने के बाद कम डाउन हियर, राइट? ये इनवर्जन से आई रियली वांटेड देम टू टेक इट हायर, ठीक है? अगर वो हायर लेके जाते कल का प्रीमियम विक 50% पहुंचा के, देन आई वुड हैव लुक्ड फॉर शॉर्ट्स. बट ओपन करते ही व्हेन वी गो लोअर, तो मेरे दिमाग में है कि चलो मेरे को देखना है भाई, थोड़ा डिस्काउंटर है, कोई डिस्काउंटर मिल जाए. मेरे पास एक डेली ऑर्डर ब्लॉक दिखा, अब चलो मैं आई की माई एंट्री ऑफ. फिर मेरे को रिएक्शन दिखा, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, इन्वर्जन, फकिंग ऑल दैट शिट, हो गया. I just want to know, is this part of the game or ever happened to you? Now I added auto lockout. Bro, this is exactly a part of the game. Bro, I've blown multiple Apex fundeds in a single week. I've blown three PA accounts. Bro, the amount of money that it takes to activate a fucking Apex account in Canada is $200 fucking dollars. $200 तीन बार, that's $600. भाई मैंने बहुत पैसे खर्च किए, राइट? इट्स लाइक भाई बहुत पैसे खर्च करो, बहुत लूज करो, फिर यू गेट अ पे आउट, देन यू डोंट सी अ पे आउट फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम, फिर यू अंडरस्टैंड कि ओके दिस इज हाउ आई एम सपोज टू डू इट, फिर देन आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग कंसिस्टेंट पे आउट्स इन माय फकिंग ट्रेडिंग, right? That's when I started fucking getting paying out from Lucid, Apex, Alpha. I don't use top step. I used to in the beginning that I got funded top steps. I got funded my first ever prop firm was top step. I understand, bro. First presentation delivered pretty beautifully. For some reason I was hesitant to take the trade because मेरे को एटलीस्ट ओपनिंग रेंज गैप के अपर क्वाड्रेंट तक तो जाना था. If it at least had gone to the upper quadrant here, poked it, then I would have been more interested. I am sell till 50 equal low. Minutes be. Yeah, man. I mean, bro, I'll give you the best decision. ठीक है, prop firms के लिए, okay? ये prop firm खेलना is not about skill, क्योंकि मैंने कर रखा है. ये skill का game नहीं है, okay? This is a game of discipline. Bro, prop firm का whole वो उन्होंने see again these people that start companies, bro, उनके बंदे होते हैं that actually tell the owners of the firms about human psychology, and they base their products ऐसे in a way that fucks up with your psychology. यहाँ भाई prop firm ने पहले ही fuck up करके रखा है, but the only way to fucking succeed using a prop firm is to use a daily loss fucking limit. I would say कि भाई 50k का account है, 250 risk करो, right? Aim for a 2 hour plus and you're good to go. But the problem is अभी मेरे लिए it's easy to walk away after a loss, but initially था नहीं. So you have to train your brain. It's like you're working out. अब जिम जाते हो बॉडी बनाने, you have to train your brain for that to comfortably walk away after taking a hit. मैंने कल लिया था भाई बढ़िया बैंगर ट्रेड 2 hour का, right? Now मैंने इधर 1 hour lose कर दिया. See, I'm net profitable again. I'm net profitable. I'm still green on the week, right? तो भाई ऐसे आपको खेलना पड़ेगा over an extended period of time. प्रॉप फॉर्म कहते हैं भाई 5 day का 200 प्लस और मोर, बट उसको सुनो मत, आप अपना टाइम लगाओ. इट माइट टेक 10 days, इट माइट टेक 15 days, इट माइट टेक 20 days. बट जब आप स्केल करना शुरू कर जाओगे, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग 3 to 5 अकाउंट्स फ्रॉम लूसिड, राइट? आई एम सेल टिल 15 minute इक्वल लो बिलो. क्या बोल रहे हो ब्रो? व्हाट आर यू जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट? 15 minutes CB didn't get tagged, man. CFD के लिए कुछ बोलो भाई, ये CFD तो है. CFD फ्यूचर सब तो एक ही है भाई, एक है. आरफ भाई, मैंने कहा इट्स गोना गो हायर. मैंने इधर कहा था इट्स गोना गो हायर. डिसिप्लिन का गेम है ब्रो. एक्सटेंड यहाँ प्रॉप फॉर्म का जादू एक अकाउंट में दिखेगा नहीं, बट एक अकाउंट में ट्रेन करना बहुत जरूरी है. आप एक अकाउंट में ट्रेन करो, रूल्स फॉलो करो, पैसे के बारे में भूल जाओ. पैसा इज गोना बी अ बाई प्रोडक्ट. फिर व्हेन यू स्टार्ट स्केलिंग, वो बहुत पे आउट मिलने के बाद वो पैसे को खर्च नहीं करो, बिजनेस में डालो भाई वापस. एवरीथिंग यू गेट फ्रॉम द मार्केट्स वापस बिजनेस में डालो. क्या कर लोगे अभी सेव करके? दैट्स ऑल डिफरेंट फिलोसफी फॉर लाइफ. बट लगता है प्रीमियम दे सकता है भाई, इधर इक्वल हाइस पड़े हैं. That's 15 minutes CB as well. Maybe turtle soup this high. But I would anticipate कि ये high reach होए, और maybe ये high reach होए. First percent के अंदर के high side पड़ा है. Right there. I'm gonna watch this inefficiency here. दो और बंदे सब्सक्राइब कर दो ब्रो, देयर गोना बी अभी हो जाएंगे 200 डॉलर, 200 सब्सक्राइब अगेन. मेरा जो ट्रेड था, people that are gonna be like, yeah, hey, this guy doesn't know how to trade, this guy doesn't know how to trade. Yeah, calm the fuck down. I know what I'm doing. You see this opening range gap? दिखाओ, ये हमारा 28th April को over, okay? Look where I keyed my entry off of. Org. Where is price coming from? Org. I forgot the date. Org. Right. Amazing. इसको breakaway gap छोड़ दो. Preferably. Right? इसको छोड़ दो breakaway gap. Rip it up, bro. Rip it up, man. Right now. Right now. Rip it up. Right now, man. अभी कर. Why? Because इधर ही चाहिए मेरे को speed when we are so close to the relative equalizer. Bro, these are small tips in price. भाई मजा आता है आप जब बोलते और some बहुत ही एकदम हार्ड. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. वही exactly, bro. That's what I sell, man. I sell this. This is what I sell. ये बेचता हूँ भाई मैं. This is what I sell. I sell me. I hope Mike ठीक है. Equal highs breach हुए. I don't know. ठीक है, हो जाता है भाई. Stop out हो जाता है. See again, मेरे को देखो, like see how chill I am. Stop out होने के बाद, क्योंकि मेरे को पता लग गया भाई, एक दिन का प्रॉफिट और एक दिन का लॉस से कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Nothing. That's not the game. That is not trading. वो social media influences आपके दिमाग में भर के they fucked up your head that this is trading. That's not real trading. Real trading is you coming in with a plan and then executing the plan. ठीक है? फिर walking the fuck away. ठीक है भाई, बोलते रहो. And again, the reason for going long at 950 was because we were bearish on Dixie. We're looking. See again, these are decoupled. थोड़ा, I mean, decoupled तो अभी है नहीं, ठीक है? But जब मैंने short लिया था, it was kind of decoupled. But again, ये तो जा रहा था नीचे. When did I go? नहीं से मैं दिखाई देता हूँ भाई, दिखाई देता हूँ bro. इधर ही दिखा देता हूँ. What is this? So when I go long, okay, watch this line, okay? Watch this horizontal, vertical line. When I went long on NQ, Dixie made a run lower. You see that? The only mistake I made was picking the absolute bottom. क्योंकि मेरे को मजा आता है भाई. Bro, imagine I'm a pussy that I'm going to enter in the second stage. No way. I'm a real man. I'm a real nigga. Real niggas enter into the lows, okay? Real niggas catch the low day. I'm joking. Don't take that shit seriously. But again, मेरे को चाहिए था भाई absolute low day. High's not taken, okay? So any run lower, we're going to still anticipate. Run back. ये तो है हमारा अभी का opening range gap. Gap भी है ऊपर. See again, we had our gap as well. अब तो वो run up करेंगे, मेरे को देखना है. वो अच्छे से run up करेंगे towards this high. Bro, I swear to God, if they're running up to these highs, and this is the low of day, I swear. This is the low day, they're going to run it up to these highs and these highs. I swear if I was the market maker, I would wreck every short position right now. I for real would wreck every short positions right now. Run it up to premium. Run it up to here. And tomorrow we get an absolutely phenomenal drop towards 260 on the daily. But again, price is like a ladder. ठीक है? हम क्या expect करेंगे कि ये पहले हुए inverse. यहाँ बहुत balance हो गया. एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार. I don't want any difficulty. Single pass हो जाए. Swing eye here, coinciding with the old pool of sell side that was formed at 2 a.m. That's a London low. ठीक है? We have this down close here. First presentation here. Higher day here. ठीक है? Higher day, higher low. ठीक है? एक चीज दिखाओ. High of day, मैं एक चीज दिखाता हूँ, okay? High of day is here, relative equal highs is here, London Asia high is here. Choose a DOL. मैं कह रहा हूं कि लंदन हाई जाएगा, ठीक है, एशिया हाइज जाएगा. So from Asia highs to the low of day, you're gonna mark its implied dealing range. ठीक है. I don't want price to come back into this. मैंने कहा था ब्रेकअवे गैप हो जाए, ऑलमोस्ट ब्रेकअवे गैप मिल रहा है, हाफ ऑफ इट इज लेफ्ट ओपन. ठीक है, इधर वापस ना आए आप, EQ पर पहुंचे, यूज दैट EQ एज सपोर्ट, गेट इनटू द अपर क्वाड्रेंट हियर. फिर यहां पर डोंट स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर लॉन्ग्स, जस्ट वेट फॉर देम टू डिलीवर हायर. ठीक है, अगेन इंप्लाइड डीलिंग रेंज का जादू इधर दिख रहा है. दैट्स इट हियर विद दिस ओल्ड इन्वर्जन, लीव्स इट. ब्रो मेरे को पता है भाई, देयर गोना रन अप हायर. यू सी दैट आई डोंट वांट टू टेक ट्रेड्स. मेरा टाइमिंग, मेरा मॉडल, मेरा आइडिया, मेरा नैरेटिव, मेरा दिमाग, इट्स अगेंस्ट. ये मेरा नहीं है, तो मैं करूंगा नहीं. बट अगेन आई कैन रीड प्राइस. I got the run it up higher. No pareshani here. Run it up straight higher into these highs, brother. Let's run it up. Run it up, nigga. Equilibrium of the implied dealing range हो गया reach. ठीक है. If we are bullish, I don't want to see any kind of resistance here. ठीक है, we have this bullish breaker. Again, don't come back into this FEG. Somehow climb higher from here and reach our first presentation minor buy side. Morning high day. What is ES doing? Let's take a real quick look at ES. ये क्या है भाई? they're gonna run it up higher, buddy. They're gonna fucking run it up higher. तो मेरे को पता है, मैं कुछ कर नहीं रहा हूँ. ये क्या है? गोल्ड. अरे अरे अरे, all these multiple SMTs at the lows again. See, ES is strong. Bro, you want to see something? How many people are watching? 10 people are watching, okay? 9 people are watching. ES never took out my fucking stop. Now, how is that for a fucking fact? ES never took my stop out. What do you think about that? ES never fucking took out my bloody stop. This was that trade on NQ that I took. This is ES. Okay? NQ never, ES never fucking took out my bloody stop. Exactly how I know that, okay, this was a probability game. This was a probability का game. You see the difference? NQ ने अटैक किया मेरे स्टॉप को, ES पर भाई no interest. No fucking interest on ES to take out my bloody stop. How's that for a fucking fact? Sam भाई, he's texting on my Instagram. इधर आ जाओ भाई, लाइव पर आ जाओ. I'll explain. Oh well, oh well. What did I say? I know for a fact they're gonna run it up higher. These highs is what I'm interested in, honestly. ये जो highs है. ना सोना. Pro brutal BE 85 handles cash price. Use it entry. Fucking end. Okay. अगर if I was trading this shit, मैं करता क्या? Yes, never took out my bloody stops. Yes, never took out my bloody stops. NQ manipulated my ass today. Well, the only possible best thing that I could have done was waited for 10:30. होता है भाई, होता है, होता है भाई. Not a big deal, bro. Not a fucking big deal. Bro, again, lower prices तो भूल जा थोड़ी देर के लिए. I really want higher price on NQ. I for real want. I'm bearish on NQ. बट जब आप बेरिश होते हैं हायर टाइम फ्रेम पर आपको इंट्राडे ट्रेड करना पता लग जाता है. कंसोलिडेशन, manipulation, higher time frame period, and a small time frames distribution. To open reach 7:30 opening price right there. The lines with this breaker here. Where I want to see. देखना 2 मिनट पर एक FEG है. 1 मिनट 1 मिनट पर FEG है इधर. 2 मिनट पर FEG है इधर. 3 मिनट पर FEG इधर. 4 मिनट अभी FEG फॉर्म होगा एक आधे 1.5 मिनट्स में. 5 मिनट में अभी it's gonna form an FEG in 15 seconds. So let's wait for the 5 minute to form. ठीक है. 15 सेकंड में 5 ऐसे पेशेंस दिखाओ. ठीक है. FEGs बनने का वेट करो. 5 पर अभी बनेगा 7 सेकंड. 5 4 3 2 1 and 0. There we go. We have a 5 minute base right there. ठीक है. मैं छोटा सा एक लाइन से मार. That's our 5 minute base right there. अब मेरे को देखना है कि इसके अंदर रिटर्न हुए. Kiss it, leave it. Kiss it, leave it. ठीक है. Kiss this bitch, leave it. Kiss it, leave it. Kiss it, leave it. कैसे? Kiss that bitch, leave that bitch. Kiss it, leave it. Touch it, bring it, man. Touch it. Okay, now that the morning high on ES. एक मिनट. ठीक है. Okay, now that the morning high on ES. Now that the morning high on ES has been breached, right? 7:30 first presentation पर जो high बना था, so that's a little smart money divergence. ठीक है, तो अब हम अभी सी अगेन अब देखेंगे कि अब प्राइस करती क्या है. वी कैन अगेन वॉच प्राइस. ठीक है, लुक्स फाइन. आई थिंक इट कुड डिलीवर. हो सकता है, डिलीवर हो सकता है. वही भाई, प्रॉप फॉर्म वाले बंदे, योर बेस्ट बेट वुड बी टू जस्ट लॉक द फक आउट. क्योंकि भाई ट्रेडिंग ऐसा ही गेम होता है, आपके दिमाग,
You'll be surprised to know that popcorn.
आपका दिमाग आपके ऊपर ही गेम खेलना शुरू कर देता है. आपको हमेशा पता लगेगा, सिर्फ हाइंडसाइट पर दो, वो एक चीज है. हाइंडसाइट पर जब आप देखोगे अपने एक्टिविटीज, अपने कर्म, देन यू रियलाइज. मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बाकी मैं दो तीन स्ट्रीमर्स को देखता हूँ, सिर्फ दो को देखता हूँ मैं. ठीक है, मेरा और उनका बहुत अलग ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल होता है. एक है भाई हमारा टाइलर ट्रेड्स, उसके है भाई 22,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स ऑन वाईटी. टाइलर ट्रेड्स करके एक बंदा है. और एक है भाई, एक गैटी करके एक बंदा है, उसके क्या 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स है. बस उनके ही देखता हूँ. मेरे को ये बड़े ज़्यादा बड़े बड़े वाले लोगों को देखना है, इसलिए बहुत ज़्यादा दी मेरे को ये दो बंदे मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. तो मैं देख रहा हूँ कि भाई उन्होंने किया क्या.
And everybody, is going to love you and you never say anything wrong.
Kookie, what's up, man? PJ, what's going on, man? I'm going to call you PJ from now on. Is that cool, PEJW? I think PJ rolls off the tongue a little bit smoother. Good morning, man. What's up, Dom, Ibrahim, Chris, Witcher of Wealth, Exoli, Younes. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy Tuesday, chat.
This is that guy.
Welcome in, welcome in. Hit the like button on your way in if you'd be ever so kind. And let's dive on in here, boys and girls. We got 3 minutes until market opens up. As far as the economic calendar is concerned, we do have 10 a.m. consumer confidence news, orange folder news event.
Bro, can somebody tell me कि मेरे को ये जो YouTube का जो chat है, I want to see it on a separate screen. मेरा ये सब layout fucked है, bro.
Otherwise, that's it, though. So I don't think, and then the earnings obviously don't start until tomorrow afternoon, boys and girls. We've traded down into there. We high of the week. Mine though, for this morning, and we'll leave the profit alone in that Lucid account. What's up, Roger? Good to see you, man. Make sure I don't spill my coffee here today. Ready to make big money today. Always ready to make big money today. Yes, I did catch one win in the Asia session on the one Lucid account, as you guys can see. I wasn't copy trading, so orange folder news as well. So
let's see what this guy did. Yeah.
Should I just get? I guess I do. I mean, I'm from Wisconsin. Maybe I should be. What business do I have driving a BMW? Perhaps maybe I should get.
Let's see what this guy does.
But if not, then I'm trying to stay patient so I can wait out and not.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now y'all see me on the TV. I'm on the millionaire. I'm out of time. I'm 23. Getting no sleep. Raging for a week. I hit #1 and I ain't even hit my peak. Yeah, I had to tell him. Y'all fucking naughty. I see us get back below.
He went strong, brother.
I'm in there with 3. I'm gonna go for this move back to
told you.
opening price.
When I said कि मेरे को देखना है कि बाकी बंदे किए क्या, man.
Getting a pretty nice respect to this FEG. Wouldn't want to see us get back below that, but let's see. We are in the macro as well.
ठीक है भाई, मैंने भी देखा था भाई, मैक्रो पर ही था bro. Hell no.
Or just shat all over me again and then gritty on me some more.
Fucking hell, वो तो जल्दी stop out हो गया bro. एक ही झटके में.
All right. Well, good knowing you guys. It's been fun. Prefer that you just never stop shorting the lows of the market, but yeah, I'm just not gonna do that.
I mean, थोड़ा tricky तो था भाई. I mean,
it's the copy traders that get mad. Good. Yeah, man, I don't know. We're just dying. Just dying.
इसका भाई थोड़ा losing streak चल रहा है. Honestly, when I'm saying.
Anyway, we got 4 minutes here until the top of the hour. Orange folder news as well. What's up, W. Aaron? Where you entered on Bookmap, there was big money stacked below as target. Timeout. If your weekly outlook is bearish, why have you only taken longs? Because the market doesn't go in one direction, and I'm trying to trade short from a discounted range internally. Or premium range, sorry. So yeah, I don't know. We'll wait here. Maybe early, maybe wrong totally, but I think still gonna stick with this idea to maybe get back to our opening price. But we'll see. We inverted here now. This gap. We did not take this low out. 3 minutes till top of the hour. I think we at least got to come here and take this out at this rate. Maybe get a previous hourly low sweep here at 10. Yeah. Yeah, man, I don't know. I'm just not the guy to short down here after this. Like, there's just so much unfilled POIs. No manipulations higher at all. Well, it wasn't that crazy of a streak. A hornio? Is that your name? A hornio? It was like 3 days. But yes, I do remember. How could I forget a hornio? It made you a hornio. Oh. What's my opinion on time cycles? Can you be more specific, Sempi? Dude, no way it's a horn. It's literally a hornio. Look at your name. A hornio. Nah, dude, that's gonna stick. It's a hornio. It's definitely a hornio. Just like all the bears right now. The bears are a hornio right now. I think the longs look good again, but New York open and we Naya, see me.
Again,
All right,
bro?
I'm in. Same target. I would maybe like to go break even as early as this 4-hour order. Well, it's not really an order block yet, but it could become one. Basically, the structural. This is crazy. Fuck.
See, भाई वो भी stop out हो गया, bro.
Daddy, chill.
But he took 2 attempts.
I don't know.
He entered the same trade as me. फिर वो हुआ stop out. मैंने जो example दिखाया था, stop out होने के बाद एकदम से change interest rate delivery मिल जाए, तो आप फिर से enter करोगे. आप वही गलत हो गए. वही आप गलत हो गए. Because I'm not talking to this guy.
Yeah,
he knows what he's doing. Respect to this guy.
Not a great look
okay?
here.
I watch him all the time. No, I'm not talking to him. I'm talking to the people that actually trade. कोई बात नहीं भाई, कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं भाई, कोई बात नहीं. Actually आप हो भाई, आप ही काफी हो bro. एक बंदा देख ले बस काफी है. कोई बात नहीं भाई. कल भी करेंगे, परसों भी करेंगे. कल तो नहीं होगा. फ्राइडे करेंगे. फिर से. वही कह रहा हूँ मैं जो एग्जांपल दिखाया था, फिर से जल्दी से वो स्टॉप आउट होने के बाद फिर से आपको एक और एंट्री, ही इज गोना गेट स्टॉप्ड आउट अगेन.
Don't do that, dude.
जब ये इस बंदे ने जब 1 घंटे 15 मिनट पर स्ट्रीम बंद कर दिया था, मेरे को पता लग गया था भाई इसने क्योंकि कल भी देख रहा था, कल भी हुआ था स्टॉप आउट ये 2 बार. तो
Don't blow your accounts. That's why I'll have to get off if this hits stop, because I'll probably do the same. Yeah, man. Right now, these Tradeify instant funded accounts taking a little bit of a beating. Started off hot. Couple might be kind of stuff. Don't blow your accounts.
he's reminding himself to not blow the accounts. यहाँ ये भाई everyone bro, everybody that trades good, पता है भाई, दिमाग में होता है, हमारी भी होता है भाई. हमने भी बहुत पे आउट लेके रखे, बट हमारे दिमाग में भी होता है कि अकाउंट ब्लो ना हो जाए थोड़ा एक लूजिंग स्ट्रीक पर जाके. भाई ये सब नेचुरल होता है. जस्ट ट्रेन योरसेल्फ.
Yeah, man. Right now, these Tradeify instant funded accounts taking a little bit of a beating.
Tradeify instant funded.
Started off hot. Might be a couple back-to-back red days on these.
भाई instant के लिए तो भाई इसने भाई खर्च किया होगा भाई 2000 Canadian bro. Crazy man. 2000 भाई.
So that sucks.
2000 Canadian बहन जो instant के लिए.
That sucks. It's unfilled above here. Like, actually, go fuck yourself.
No, he's down 1,000. देखो. Come on, everybody goes through this, man.
Anyway.
Nothing मेरा भी ऐसे
anyway,
That's it. I got stopped out. मैंने बंद कर दिया. Now there is no reason for me to again. मैंने कहा क्या था? NQ पर हम जाएंगे ऊपर, ठीक है? Everybody is वो मेरे स्ट्रीम देख रहे हैं. Watch your charts in the background क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ.
bruh. All right. Well, yeah, I got nothing else to say. This is just dying, and I wanted to be bearish this week, but I wanted to be bearish from something that like made fucking some sense, and it's not doing it. My Tradeify accounts are getting shafted. So, but we're not dead yet. We're not dead yet. I just can't do anything with this. Like, I'm not going to short this. I'm just not going to do it. As bad as many as you would want me to, I'm just not going to do it. It goes against my religion. Jesus would be Jesus would be fucking pissed at me if I did that. So I'm not going to do it. And you know what else I'm not going to do? I'm not going to fucking try another long either. So
good. Dekho.
Details on that yet, but we're planning to do a big giveaway on that stream also. It's going to be me and Amas. It's going to be me and Amas. Some of you guys may know who that is. Also a host of Tradeify TV.
ब्लो करने के बाद एक बढ़िया सा एक हाई मिलता है. ब्लो होने के बाद एक अच्छा रिलीफ मिलता है. लाइक बहन शो था फाइनली ब्लो हो गया भाई. अब मैं
go back a little bit.
फिर आप सोचोगे उसके बारे में भाई अगले 2 दिन, स्पेशली अगर आप फ्राइडे को ब्लो करते हो. सैटरडे संडे बहुत प्लान बनाओ कि मंडे से मैं नया अकाउंट खरीद कर आऊंगा, फॉर्मल रूल्स में इतना स्टिक करूंगा, ये वो मंडे हो गया, ट्यूसडे और वेडनेसडे हो गया, वो भी ब्रो. ओह शिट. इंडिया से ही हुआ, इंडिया से ही हुआ.
To 2023.
Indian brother, I'm an Indian.
You just got boned to the brim. Same. I mean, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just fine, right, dude. If it's not gonna give me my
And he stopped trading. फिर उसका हो गया, कर दिया उसने बंद. That's it. What's this guy doing?
Fair. I mean, you don't want to see it go this high up into the gap.
Oh, he went short.
You're right.
Not bad.
I
He
agree.
skipped out the longs. This guy has a lot more patience. For real.
Oh, clutch. Jerry's doing boot camp for me. Shout out, Jerry.
Went short and he got stopped out.
Yeah, I wouldn't take anything anymore. I do want to see what this ends up doing, though.
Oh yeah. So people, I mean, मैंने okay. Let's come back to the charts. ठीक है? वो क्या रहा है? There we go. There we fucking go. ठीक है. Okay, what was I saying before? That हम वो 5 minute BC को देखेंगे. ठीक है? थोड़ा overshoot हुआ. Came back into चलो वो 5 minute को छोड़ो. थोड़ा गया वापस आया. ये inversion के अंदर वापस आया. Right? This was the wick that I was expecting कि हमारे buy program पर हम हो जाए उसको inverse. उसको use किया इधर. Look at the bodies, nigger. Look at the fucking bodies. Look at the bodies there. ठीक है? Inversion. Cased it. Now it's we are leaving the 5 minute BC. People went short here expecting कि हम गिरने वाले हैं. Okay, now let me drop some sauce here. कितने बंदे हैं भाई? तो हिंदी में बात करो ना. अरे भाई अब आप if you're gonna speak to me like that मैं भी कह सकता हूँ भाई. English, I mean English क्यों नहीं समझ आ रही, right? But मैं कहता नहीं हूँ. तो मैं कह रहा हूँ कि भाई let me give you all some free sauce. There's 5 people watching, right? गोल्ड ट्रेड क्यों नहीं करते भाई? बिकॉज मैंने गोल्ड कभी ट्रेड किया ही नहीं है. लाइक आई एम नैस्डैक गाय ब्रदर. मैं एनक्यू करता हूँ भाई. एनक्यू ब्रो. एनक्यू मैन. मैं फ्यूचर्स ट्रेड करता हूँ भाई. Oh shit. Because don't make me laugh. brother. God sent. हंसाते नहीं भाई. गोल्ड थोड़ा देख रहा था भाई. I was explaining it to one of my students. उसका he found a setup here. But वो हो गया stop out. So saying कि कैसे stop out, you know, equal highs थे inefficiency के अंदर. तो open होने के बाद first presentation दिया. Came, touched it. Again, takes out this low here, runs it up higher. This was his setup, something like that. So what am I on gold? Am I bullish on gold? Bearish on gold? So looking at the daily. Bearish order block. The bodies there of the bearish order block. Like this is classified as a SEBI, okay, which I was anticipating inversion, but let's keep it as a SEBI रहा. ठीक है? उसका क्या function देखो अभी. Touched it. We are leaving it. LTV up into a bellwether. Oh, all of these clean lows were taken. ठीक है? But हमने इसको छोड़ा है इधर. LTV को lows हमने छोड़े हैं. They've taken sell side here. So they've taken sell side here. Now I would expect them to run it up higher. Okay? But my draws are probably going to be lower. See, this is what I'm looking at on gold. I wouldn't long, मैं distribute करूँगा short, but again थोड़ा short term reach हो सकता है. Premium. Again, मैंने कहा था that we're gonna print higher. Okay, touches that wick here. Why did I choose this wick? Okay, मैंने ये wick को choose क्यों किया? You can take this singular breaker here as well. ठीक है? मैंने ES पर I was also watching breaker on. Yes, but see, my stops never hit on ES, so I have no regret in taking my fucking trade because it was not just me that took the trade. It was not just me that was having the idea. जो बंदे ICT concept सीखे उनको idea पता लग गया. They know what I'm talking. A little bit of choppy here, damage. Okay, इसको ऐसे deliver किया, right? Fair value gap. या सीधा deliver हो जाए. Don't come back into the half of this wick. Look at the half respected there. ठीक है? What is this? इसको मैं हटा. I chose. Okay, I'm gonna choose this wick because we used it in a sell program. तो अभी उसको मैं हटा देता हूँ. So we have this buy side, minor buy side inside the first presentation. So ये है, this is one of the advanced model where we have those higher time frame PD arrays. Breakaway gaps, daily time frame. Brother. Well, bro, what a breakaway gap is when the whole gap is open, right? If it touched it, I would call it an institutional order entry drill on the daily. That's what I would call it. I wouldn't call that a breakaway gap. Breakaway gap is something like, well, you know what a breakaway gap is, right? Of course you do. We're gonna run it up higher, brother. I've already called out that we're gonna run it up to this buy side here. So also we have our opening range gap, low, upper quadrant, consequent encroachment, upper quadrant or consequent encroachment पे बीच में we have our pool of buy side right there. You see the magic? Relative equal highs. ठीक है? That was my initial idea कि हम पहुंचेंगे. थोड़ा हो गया, stop out हो गया, but ES पर कभी stops तो hit हुए नहीं. Now this is exactly कि मेरे को चाहिए डिक्सी थोड़ा हैवी हो जाए. We've broken below this low. ठीक है? अब थोड़ा डिक्सी पर ये relative equal lows पड़े इधर inside that daily inefficiency. यहाँ लो पड़े. If we are bullish, I would expect कि भाई ये new week opening gap. I want to see अब करता क्या है. Because NQ पर भी हमने we have reached a premium and we've taken minor we're going to take this minor buy set inside the first presentation. Well, I knew for a fact इधर ही relative equal lows पर. Somebody on my chat said that we have relative equal lows here, right? हाँ, we बाद for real बाद में आएंगे भाई. डिक्सी हो जाए अच्छे से fall, relative equal lows पड़े इधर और relative equal highs उठा चुके हैं हम. ये हाई उठाने के बाद we made one more run to take out this minor buy side here. ठीक है? We failed to get to that gray pool here. We're gonna dump really hard on Dixie. Now I would expect oh yeah, there we fucking go. What a beauty. What a bloody fucking beauty. Eh? I'm gonna take that wick. Why? Because that's our 9:30 candles. Wick and it's grading. इतना मजा आता है भाई. Just stopping your trading after that one attempt, regardless of the result, and just reading the tape, streaming. इतना मजा आता है भाई. मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आता है. See, now I'm sipping on my fucking coffee. I might be smoking a cigarette. I might not be smoking a cigarette. You never know, right? Because I had this reason कि मेरा webcam बंद रहता है. YouTube's gonna be like, this guy is promoting smoking. Let me ban this nigga. सिंगल पास मिल जाए सीधा ऊपर. एट द सेम टाइम डिक्सी पर भी थोड़ा अच्छे से हैवी हो जाए. राइट नाउ ये था हमारा न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप. हम उसको एक बार मार्क करके देखें उसका. सो वेयर वाज द ओपनिंग? दिस वाज द ओपन. नो, दिस वाज द क्लोज. एंड no, that was the open. And so that was the open, that was the close, right? That's our NVOG, right? Yeah, that's our close and that's our grade it. refresh. Okay. See how we came into that org, like, you know, we left it, came back into it. I use that as a resistance array, then price lower, as a premium array, not a resistance array, a premium. Bang on, baby girl. See, my stops never hit. अब ES पर बंदे ये relativity को lows दे, you know, they're gonna वो ये देखेंगे भाई. premise समझो. Again, my stops were never hit on ES तो भाई beautiful delivery. Again, कभी कभी हो जाता है भाई, एक बार दो बार होने से अब क्या ही करे भाई. Nothing, brother. See, this was my trade on NQ. राइट अगर मेरे को ऐसा जो फीडबैक मेरे को इधर मिल रहा तो भाई मेरे पैसे बन जाते ब्रो. I would have been up, let's say, times 3 is about, what's that, $2,400. A lot of money. See, again, ये जो highs है, look at how clean these are. If your eyes aren't going to these relatively equal highs, you ain't a fucking ICT trader. like मेरे दिमाग में तो पहले ही भाई ये हाई, ये हाई, ये हाई, ये हाई, ये सब आ रहे भाई दिमाग. ये देखो, ये इतना relative equal है, यहाँ relative equal है, राइट. अब मैं इधर करूँ तो ये relative equal हो गए, इतने relative equal हो गए, यहाँ ये relative equal है, राइट. तो अगेन ऐसे जब हाईज बनते हैं, आपको क्या करना चाहिए? यू शुड टेक द हाईएस्ट हाई and you can take the lowest high either, ठीक है, and then now you can mark its event horizon. That could be your ideal bloody exit right there. That's your exit. Bang on, peak precision. अब देख रहे हो प्राइस पर हो रहा क्या है? This is it, man. This is it. This is fucking it. We have premium wick of 26th July coinciding right with the buy side. ये सब पहले marked थे. Okay, all of this was marked way before when I started stream. जाके देखो, all of these were marked. ठीक है, we have Monday's equilibrium right here. Okay, that's what I wanted to see, but हमको we didn't get it.
No actual 5 minutes.
I'm gonna draw higher, brother. Everybody that was expecting lower prices should rewind my stream right to 10:33. इधर time देख लेना, 1 घंटा rewind करो इधर, ठीक है, and notice me already calling out these pools of buy side here. So when my draw becomes this, when 11:50 macro per, I'm seeing a run. This is that lunch retracement for me, where they stop out the profitables there, right? ES पर थोड़ा और profitables को stop out किए होंगे most likely, and that was enough. Like one time stopping out the profitables was enough, and then we ran it up higher. ठीक है, we have that morning high, first presentation, minor buy side. Again, people that don't know what they're doing, they don't have any idea what's happening background कि इसके background में, again, this is a lot of science here, ठीक है. There's a lot of fucking science. There is a reason कि मेरे इतने fucking layout पड़े हैं. यहाँ से लेकर I have these fucking sync chart here as well. One of my favorite. Where's my sync chart? I even have a sync chart, brother, where I monitor the 5 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute, 15 and 30 second. Every time frame per we having a raise that is sending price higher. Nothing is distorted. There is no distortion. Nothing is distorted here because I'll make you pay attention to something. Okay, यहाँ जब 5 minute पर ऐसा जब move बन रहा था, आप 1 minute को notice करना. Look as the low is forming. ठीक है, यहाँ हुआ swing low form, came back into it. I don't know what this blue fucking box is, so let's take it off. And then see, as we are printing on the 1 minute, for example, यहाँ जो 5 minute का fair value gap है, notice कि हम वो 5 minute के fair value gaps पर हर time frame पर, right, 4 minute 3 minute पर भी है, 1 minute पर multiple है, 30 second पर तो भाई obviously. So it's called price continuum theory. इसको trade करो, this is LRLR, right? So, and again with relative equal highs here. Once we leave the discount of the implied dealing range, any return back, we want to see कि discount के नीचे रहे, then discount के ऊपर रहे. For example, if this is your drawn liquidity, there, right, equal highs, यहाँ, this is your confirm कि आपका low है. Once we leave the lower quadrant and we come back above the 50%, we don't anticipate कि ये run, यहाँ जो लोग short कर रहे हैं, the people that are shorting here, they don't know the idea that I am framing here, right? That's how Mr. Michael would frame. 100% old man would frame it like that. 100 fucking percent old man. Bro, he's my fucking mentor, right? Fuck. Look at the way I speak. He has put this shit into my fucking blood. So any return back into 50%, we don't want price to come above 25. That's where people are gonna be anticipating their exits when shorting. हम short नहीं कर रहे. We are long. Our net bias is long. And with again, now that we have come above the 75, this is the area where you're gonna start taking profits. ठीक है? 75 और इसके ऊपर, this is where you're gonna start taking profits. ठीक है? यहाँ आप trade नहीं करोगे. You're not gonna add into your long. You're not gonna take another brand new long from here, regardless. ठीक है? ठीक है, अगर इनको प्रीमियम पर अगर फिर से डिस्काउंट पर ड्रॉप करना है, वी कैन थिंक अबाउट इट लेटर, बट अभी हम लॉन्ग नहीं करेंगे, वी जस्ट लेट इट फकिंग रन. ठीक है, अगेन फ्री सॉस हियर मैन, फ्री फकिंग सॉस. Fully balanced the week. Now the morning high, the people that were net short this morning, they've successfully gotten stopped out. यहाँ stop पड़े थे. वो हो गए स्टॉप आउट. एंड इधर से अगर आपको शॉर्ट्स देखना है, आप फॉरगेट कर रहे हो कि यहाँ इतना रिलेटिव इक्वल हाइस पड़े हैं, तो वो भी खराब हो रहा है आइडिया. All of this is a free sauce.
All right, ladies.
How can I help you in increasing your view, brother? I really think people, please. अब भाई increasing view का भाई ये game है that honestly bro I don't care. Oh no, how भाई I'm here brother. I'm here. इधर ही भाई. The thing about views is कि अगर आप मेरे से honestly पूछो if I care about views, followers, subscribers, I mean I care about them as a person, but मेरे numbers I really don't do it for the numbers, right? मेरा थोड़ा अलग philosophy है. It's a different नज़रिया where it's like अगर मैं genuinely if right अगर मैं मेरा intent सही है और मैं genuinely लोगों को मदद कर रहा हूँ, if I'm helping them genuinely and they are getting value out of this और उनके life right their life and their trading is improving, their well-being is improving, then I am good bro, I am blessed. Like that is why I do it. तो अगर if that's my intent आने वाले लोग they're gonna automatically join me. Like for example अभी भाई maximum viewers went up to what 10 people. Amazing. पहले भाई nobody was there. 10 is बढ़िया bro. I have somebody to at least talk to. Right? I have somebody to talk to at least. So 10 is gonna jump to 20 because see Instagram पर पहले तो view नहीं आ रहे थे, अभी Instagram पर अच्छे को I mean views are coming like almost right. Subscribe followers is all. I want to somehow get my Instagram to 2K. 2000 तो करना मेरे को करना है. 2000 बढ़िया लगेगा bro. When people click onto my profile 2000 दिखेंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा. Just for that purpose कि मेरे को 2000 करना है. अभी 300 और चाहिए. But वो तो भाई if I'm true to my work अगर मैं मेरे कर्म if I'm doing it then भाई सही बंदे जो है वो आके they're gonna come and join the journey together because I'm genuinely helping them. Like they're trading, उनका trading better हो रहा है, they're learning from me on and off charts, right? अभी तो मैं on charts हूँ, but the way I'm speaking is off charts क्योंकि my risk is off. How is my outlook when my risk is off? Why did I turn my risk off after a hit? Right? Like why all of the psychology behind it? Why did I turn my risks off very confidently? Because ES never took out my stop, so that's a win for me. So ऐसे all of these small little things अगर मैं आपके दिमाग पर you know if I can put it into your head तो आपका ट्रेडिंग सबका सबकॉन्शियसली आपका I mean unconsciously your trading and all आपका नजरिया मार्केट की और जिंदगी की और all the नजरिया is gonna start changing. God has put me here to fucking help people, brother. See, now we left the new week opening gap. Come back into it, touch it, leave it. Again, मैंने कहा था इधर we don't try to long here, ठीक है? हम वेट करेंगे टारगेट्स लेने के. This is too late to long. हमेशा long करना 50% के नीचे, ठीक है? This is that buy side. भाई open पर मेरे को honestly क्या देखना था पता है? Leave these relative equal lows. Open, ठीक है? Run it up बहुत speed से higher. फिर इधर से बने बहुत बढ़िया स्मार्ट मनी रिवर्सल, टेक आउट दिस हाई, टैग इनटू दिस इन्वर्जन डेली पर है, फिर बने भाई बढ़िया तरीके से शॉट्स. Great knowledge and experience, brother. I fucking love it. Thanks, man. Appreciate that, brother. Much love, man. Much love. तो वो देखना था मेरे को. तो once these lows got taken, मेरा शॉर्ट का आइडिया वही हो गया डिसरिगार्ड. मैंने कर दिया ठीक है, शॉर्ट्स तो मैं देखूंगा नहीं, हम बहुत डिस्काउंट पर पहुंच गए, तो मैं देखूंगा लॉन्ग्स. तो जब मेरे को ये दिखा वाज लाइक चलो लो रिस्क बाई करते. ये आई वाज एंटिसिपेटिंग ये ब्रेक अवे गैप हो जाए. फीडबैक अच्छा मिला, यहाँ तक बैलेंस किया, सो एक्सपेक्टेड कि नेक्स्ट कैंडल टचेस इट, फिर से यहाँ स्मूथ डिलीवरी मिल जाए. मिला नहीं, अभी मिल रहा है, ठीक है. आई वाज रॉन्ग एंड आई लॉस्ट मनी, बट द एबिलिटी वाज टू स्टॉप. फिर मैं हो गया स्टॉप, क्योंकि अगर मैं इधर ट्रेड वेट करूंगा तो मेरा ये लॉस जो है मेरे दिमाग में अभी मोस्ट लाइकली चल रहा होगा, मेरे दिमाग में तो नहीं चलेगा without that equal lows. Yes sir, not right now. Yep, without getting that equal lows. Yes, ये जो इक्वल लोज आई थिंक यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, इसको छोड़ना था, ओपन इधर हुआ राइट, थोड़ा नीचे आए, ट्रिक देम शॉट्स, एक बार रन करना था हायर, फिर बनने थे शॉट्स, बट जब शॉट नीचे गिर गया तो मेरा शॉट का आइडिया हो गया डिसरिगार्ड, तो मैं कर रहा हूँ कि चलो भाई मैं लॉन्ग करूंगा, एंड हो गया भाई। ईएस पर तो बढ़िया था, ईएस पर देखो ईएस ही देख लो, टॉप्स हिट हुए ईएस पर, नहीं ईएस पर देखो इट केम बैक, यहाँ से रिलेटिव इक्वल लोस छोड़े है वो सब बाद में ब्रो, यहाँ छोड़े है, आई सी इट, बट अगेन ये जो मेरा लॉन्ग करने का आइडिया इसलिए भी था क्योंकि मंडे लो जो था ईएस ने उठाया नहीं था, राइट, तो ईएस वाज गिवन एस एन एसएमटी, यो एसएमटी इधर तक वैलिड था अंटिल हियर, नहीं ये एसएमटी अभी भी वैलिड है, बट ये जो इंटरनल एसएमटी है वो डिसरिगार्ड हो गया, बट जो एक्सटर्नल एसएमटी है दैट वाज स्टिल वैलिड, दैट्स व्हाई दे डोंट हैव टू टेक आउट द मंडे लो, एनक्यू ने उठा रखी है, एनक्यू ने उठा रखी है, देखो एनक्यू ने इधर मंडे लो उठा के रखा है, यहाँ हियर दिस इज द मंडे लो, तो ईएस उठाने की जरूरत नहीं है, एंड वी गॉट आवर स्मार्ट मनी फकिंग रिवर्सल, एंड ईएस पर देखो हम मंडे के इक्विलिब्रियम, मैंने पहले मार्क करके रखा था, यहाँ इक्विलिब्रियम को टीस करके गिरे, तो जब हम गिर रहे हैं मैं देख रहा हूँ कि चलो इक्विलिब्रियम मैच हुए, और यहाँ न्यू वीक ओपनिंग गैप भी है ईएस पर, डिक्सी एज आई सेड हो जाए बेयरिश, एनक्यू इज क्लोज, एनक्यू अभी we're gonna get them one buy side, again relative equal highs here, अगर ये हमारा ड्रॉ है हम इसके और इसके बीच में देखेंगे है क्या, ये एक और relative equal highs है, inefficiency, yes sir, कहाँ where did you take the trades brother, I hope you take longs, I hope you took longs यादव भाई, सुमन यादव, it's a woman, okay, anybody that's new fast forward, no, rewind to here, ठीक है, and watch me calling out very confidently कि हम ऊपर जाने वाले, भाई जब फिब लगाते हो तो अपन बॉडी पर से हो या विक पर से मूव, ब्रो जहां से मूव स्टार्ट हुआ स्विंग से, नॉट फ्रॉम द बॉडी, बॉडी हम कब यूज करते हैं, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन के लिए हम यूज करते हैं, बट हम जब डीलिंग रेंजेस फ्रॉम अ हाई टू लो हम मार्क करते हैं तो हमेशा हाई टू लो यूज करते हैं, जब हम स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन ड्रॉ करते हैं आप बॉडी टू बॉडी भी ले सकते हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरे को ये मूव मेजर करना है तो मैं लूंगा क्या, सेल साइड वाज टेकन हियर, मैं ले सकता हूँ ये जो ब्रेकर का लेग है दिस वन, राइट, मैं हाई टू लो भी ले सकता हूँ, मैं बॉडी टू बॉडी भी ले सकता हूँ, स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन -4 देखा कैसे लाइन कर रही है इधर ऑलमोस्ट, एक और मैं डिविएशन ले सकता हूँ फ्रॉम दिस बॉडी हियर टू दिस बॉडी हियर, फ्रॉम अगर स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन की बात करें तो हम बॉडी से लेंगे, फ्रॉम दिस बॉडी हियर टू दिस बॉडी, इसी -2.5, इसका -2.5 और 2, और इसका -4 और -3.5 अलाइन कर रहे हैं, which becomes our higher, ये सब तो मेरे दिमाग में भाई, ये सब अभी मैं मेजर कर रहा हूँ, बट ये सब तो भाई ऐसा ये सब बाद में करते हैं, ये सब इट्स ऑल ऑफ दिस इज इन द एंड टू फाइंड आउट प्रिसिशन, उसके पहले आपको होना फॉर अ फैक्ट नो होना चाहिए कि प्राइस जाने कहाँ वाली है, एंड अगर हम देखेंगे तो हमारा यहाँ ये भी है, ये माइनर बाई साइड, और ये मैं दिखाता हूँ, ये जो माइनर बाई साइड है और ये हमारा मेन प्राइमरी पूल ऑफ बाई साइड है, उसके बीच में आ रहा है ये, अगर हम डीलिंग रेंजेस करें, if we are marking the dealing ranges तो हम लेंगे from the highest high, if this is the high that gave the move, or this is the high that gave the move, or this is the high that gave the move, ठीक है, and of the low, अगर हम डीलिंग रेंजेस भी मार्क कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको ये लो टू ये हाई का डिस्काउंट और प्रीमियम भी मार्क करना है तो यू मार्क ऑलवेज लो too high. So 50% के नीचे हो गया discount. Bro, I just took both longs and shorts as ES was not. Yeah, true, man. ES was not that not as great as NQ. For shorts, I agree. वो सब बता के रखा है, bro. Already done, man. वो सब everything is already said, brother. Everything's already called out, brother. Yep, as the guy said, you can also always get the event horizon, right? You can get multiple event horizons. For example, event horizon between this two highs. Get an event horizon between this high and this high, right? Again, this was that I wanted this market maker buy model to form consolidation, but again, I missed it. I mentioned event horizon, brother. पता है भाई. Gonna again, people that were watching, they know what's happening on Dixie. As I said, leave the new week opening gap, uses that as premium array. Org here. I would expect a full gap closure. As my bias was so bullish, but I say well, yeah, which was fine as long as managed your risk, would leverage it. Full gap closure is here, 191. The reason for looking at full gap closure is because this high, right? Now, if it doesn't get there, that's gonna keep a premise support my idea for shorts again. But again, if I'm watching it, this is that inversion, ठीक है? Include that volume imbalance. इसको on off करके देख लेना. Include the bigger volume imbalance. The new day. So वहाँ यहाँ इसके लो पर ही है हमारे पास buy side, right? This is that buy side that I would actually look at, which also closes the gap if I'm not. That's the buy side I want to look at. If that becomes my terminus, RTH, that closes the RTH, right? We have our Monday's org here. Previously, Monday का EQ NQ पर. ES has reached an EQ. Oh, well, yeah. Again, I would say it's gonna run up higher. That's the advantage of really watching price when it was here. As it's moving, it's telling you that okay, हम जा रहे. Or close to 1150 macro. That's our lunch. Oh, yeah, if it respects it, then you could. Quadrant got. अगर ये lower quadrant पर जाके shots बनती तो I would have. Mark Octane तो मार कर सकता है again. Man. Dixie can make a run towards this low. Couple of this off. डेली का Toronto, man. Toronto, brother. Canada, man. Canada, bro. क्या अभी तो Canada हो, man. Probably go to Dubai in a couple of years. Dubai का plan बन रहा है. हम करेंगे भाई stream. Dubai में, the timing is also going to be better. क्या the फर्क?
फ्यूचर में पे आउट लेना है तो डेली पे आउट्स मल्टीपल अकाउंट्स 150K के अकाउंट्स ये तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. अगर तुम्हें अभी तक अगर तुमने अभी तक 5 पे आउट्स कंसिस्टेंट नहीं लिए हैं पे आउट पास ही नहीं कर 150 इनफ ट्रेड की बात इतने बच्चे जो मेरे आते थे क्या है काम
Bro, that Insta पर एक guy है ना भाई, charts और emotion, वो भाई बढ़िया बंदा है भाई. वो सेंस डालता है लोगों के दिमाग में. मैं थोड़ा यूट्यूब देखते हैं भाई, रिएक्ट वैक्ट करते हैं. भी hit हो गया. Let's see what Benjamin did. मेरा दोस्त देखता. Benjamin क्या किया? Let's see. Benjamin goes short.
Not something ideally you want to be taking. You guys, is it reported record-breaking earnings?
भाई ये जो bro, all the traders that I know, like I mean they're pretty big off, like they're pretty good at their work. Nobody took the first presentation, bro.
Consistency rule, no payout
Nobody
cap,
fucking took it.
and
Now you're understanding कि
Many
मैंने भी miss
apex,
क्यों किया.
I already said that. And trade 5. And Blue Guardian. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Boom, boom. Now, midnight open being rejected off twice here and here is a sign. But we're going to pay close attention to it.
Yep.
But we'll be... Like, I customized it. Continue down lower again. Super easy. If you want to take a trade right off the bat, if that's your model, go for it. It's not mine.
If that's your model, go for it. Exactly.
Especially when there's no 930 manipulation. This is the only wick we have a 930 manipulation.
Exactly.
Like, I'm not engaging in that. Especially when we have midnight open, relative equal highs up there.
Exactly.
Like, we're as simple as inverting these gaps, breaking the structure, turning here and bouncing like that to a nice sweet long there. Or we're as simple as going like this, breaking structure, reacting off at 50%, turning down lower and continuing out short bias. But to chase into a trade when all it does from 930 is just dump and continuously make lower lows is not something you want to be doing. To try to get the better entry, ES would start consolidating and NQ would go to my TP.
I hope he takes trade long.
One tick to the markets. Congratulations, the markets won today. That is what I will think. I won't have any FOMO if it reverses. But to me, I'm looking at any sort of retracement into any offered premium. As you can see, we are still in a discount, so I'm not engaged into this. I want to see anything above this high. If we can soup this high, maybe trade this order block here, some inefficiencies, like maybe that 5 minute up there, or this even here, that will bring me into a position. But so far, this is all not enough manipulation for us to engage in because we need to see what we're going to shorten what a premium. We need to see premium price offered.
Okay, so I think he stuck to his bearish bias.
Anybody that tells you that SMT is a life-changing thing and instantly means the market is reversing does not know how to trade.
Yep.
They cherry pick words and terms that make them sound smart so they can sell you a course. That's it.
Yep, exactly. So मैं SMT को ज़्यादा नहीं pay
If you're
attention.
trades prior to 930,
Oh, he missed
I
it.
don't know
Very
what
good.
it's
Good for him.
trading, but by like the you're in a short just by him to like have my banner up. Like, I don't love the stars personally, just
Oh, he didn't take a fucking trade, man. Nice.
finish in
नहीं किया इसने. बढ़िया. Kudos to him. Yes, वो bearish है. Buy GT का wait. वही तो भाई. Chalo, let's do one thing. Get the hell out of here. What do you say? The hell out of here? Or music? Get the hell out. Copyright milega. Fuck. One of my live got blocked. NQ delivered pretty nicely today. Except the fact that we got prematurely stopped out. All okay. Dixie bearish. भाई कोई एक दिन था, एक दिन का तो भाई सही है, एक दिन से चलो भाई, I think we are good to go. नहीं नहीं नहीं, not yet, not yet, not yet, not. Nirvana something in the थोड़ा copyright without copyright गाना. I'm a small guy, man. तो क्या करूं? Oh, listen to this.
Oh, you talking about really? Yo, bro, nigga dumped it, bro. But they was wild. They was acting like it was on my.
Bro, मेरे हिसाब से which ICT ownership पे focus करना चाहिए. Yeah, last. What's going on, brother? What's going on? Bro, ICT, bro, here 2024, 2025, 2026. अगर वो in the end वो देखना है तो wrap up your any ICT trade or something. What's up, brother? Yes, sir. Go ahead. Wheeland is here. Oh, Patrick Wheeland is
I'm gonna
here.
sit here and just start. I'm gonna wax my butthole nice and clean, you know.
Fuck.
Maybe not actually. Maybe go eat some Chipotle. Go eat some Chipotle and then.
What the fuck did he do? Acid raid.
So, congratulations. Congratulations. I still got this. I don't even know what.
Hell did he trade? He's long.
I'm not taking profit till at least 28,050. Okay.
Crazy.
It's got no one's ever heard of.
5 मिनट से long. NCS music, eh? Hi, brother. Let's get the fuck out of here. Milte bhai. We'll see in a couple days. I hope the session was good. I hope you learned. Rewind करके देख लेना भाई. Kuldeep bhai, thanks for joining, brother. Thanks for joining, bhai. Thank you for coming, man. Appreciate it. Bro, सही बात है भाई. ICT के मैंने देखा. Crazy, bro. उसने कह दिया your followers are a किट को कह दिया. उसने किट को कह दिया कि your followers are a bunch of fucking Africans. Oh my god. Stop formatting, touch it, bring it. Touch it, bring it. The fuck is happening? Get a pedal on the back, get on the road, have a chop. You can come get rich with us. You gon' eat or you gon' stop. Keep it certified. I pay them not to run. Hop out 2020, calling in a run in the star. All the people hating, I'm on top. Improve the car. All the niggas make I'm taking like they credit cards. Join them for a fact that keep it real. Still they take the trust. Watch you talking crazy. Like I'm do more than my part. I can't play with my creation, get a word in my little boss. I can save it more than I be spending, that's what I be on. I'm a human, I'm not perfect, I know sometimes I be wrong. I'm like, come here, put that pussy in them, don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it, get whatever from it. Put this nigga to business, I do real shit, I talk cash. Tell me your things, she make sure she keep it real. And a wig, when it's chillin' that way, you're real, run around. You take my whole been for a while, but he still play. I told Brody and them to party car, but they still rich. I tell nobody around say, but I still rich. I don't got 100 million, I can chill ya. But don't get it misconstrued yet. I get real shit, baby. We have real sex, have nobody in our business. We take real shit. I don't know who fuck, so I fuck her with my chains on and she had no applause.
I had to get rich for these problems, still with the same folks. And I can't be for none of you niggas not in the same boat. You never gonna get caught up about it, know how the game goes. 10 chain, but you look like rainbows. I'm like, come and put that pussy on me, don't be running from me. If I like it, I get money on it, get whatever from me. Figure in your business, I do real shit, I talk cash. The shit, I'm in your things, make sure she keep her hands big, and I win. When it's chillin', that way I'm down. Real bitch, run around, double star. This a kill text, my hope in the prison for a while, but he still flex. I'm like, I'm don't be running from me. I like it, I think. I'm talking about me, nigga. बन गए दिल दी दिल करदा है दोस्त जनादा सारे तारे तोड़ ले आवा तेरे कदम च रख दे मैं एक बारी साडे कोल तू आ जा तेरे कोल मैं अंजुओं विच डूब ना सकूं अच्छा लगता है मैं हुने उंगली तड़कियां नू रहिंदी है तेरे आनी तू तेरी आएगी Yo, G. Oh, eh? Era. Allora? Dove il tuo?